Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that Inye Obori and Ihe Nrụ in the Igbo traditional society was a way the Igbo traditional society governed itself without a centralized king? Ihe Nrụ, I will say that I will explain it to be, material expression, using material things, to express one's allegiance or respect to someone older or higher.
Our stories unfold.